So I'm going to be showing you how to connect the JBL Sense Pro earbuds to your smart TV. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to your smart TV's Bluetooth settings, where it's going to start scanning for Bluetooth devices to connect to. Now, this might be different depending on what TV you have. On my Samsung, I'll just need to go to all settings like that, and then scroll down to connections, and then Bluetooth, and now it's searching for Bluetooth devices to connect to. Now, the next thing I want to do is put my JBL Sense Pros in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, all I have to do is open up the case and then tap and then touch and hold to put them in pairing mode. You can tell they're in pairing mode because they're going to be blinking rapidly like that. So now you can scan on your TV again if it stopped scanning for available Bluetooth devices. And as long as they are in pairing mode like that, then your TV should be able to detect them, no matter what brand of TV you have. So you can see JBL Sense Pro have been detected there. So all I have to do now is select and then select pair and connect. And there you go. So now I have the JBL Sense Pro connected. Now I can take them out of their case and put them in my ears and listen to audio output from the TV via my earbuds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.